So here we are, day 3. Campsite by you. Basically just a bunch of trees on the edge of a mountain. And today all you need to do is rest, because your body thinks you've lost your mind and needs time to adjust. The views, amazing. Food, even better. But I'm not here to talk to you about the trek. Have you ever wondered what kind of people attempt this trek? Have you ever wondered if you should attempt this trek? And I wish I could tell you that these people had a certain level of sass, some finesse, playing Coolio in Gangster's Paradise. But in reality, that's not true. Say hello to us. Just a bunch of incompetents trying to figure out life as we live it. The answer is yes, you should. Clearly, we are not the brightest bunch, but more importantly, this is your support system, and you will only make it as far as they push you, so get to know them. Personally, I learned something very important. It's not about the amount of weight you can lift at the gym, or how many miles you can run. It's more about persistence, putting one foot in front of the other. And also, that if you do not want to deflate your tires or lock the differential or put the car in 4x4, it's easier to reverse it out. So without further ado, say hello to the experts. This expert will be the class clown, and we've been backbenching since 1999. This expert is the reason I never did my homework in 5th grade, and now he's an educator. My K2 journey began with an epic 2,000-kilometer road trip alongside this man, an expert at fixing his hair and finding adventures. Literally, he owns findmyadventure.pk. Oh, and he hasn't changed his clothes in the last 4 days. This expert is responsible for getting the Jeep stuck in Skardu. The innocent-looking professional MMA fighter. This expert is a nurse, and she's also representing all of womankind. Nickname, Aurat March. And these are the experts that don't know their limit. This one specifically told us not to call him uncle. And this one will act like a child, carving their name and making weird sounds. Expert drone hijacker and a kind-hearted bully. He fixes my shoe, but then he doesn't let me fly my own drone. Observe.
बैटरी मेरी है क्या हो गया
This expert will do the entire trek in pain. His near-death experience comprised of lacking oxygen in his tent at night. This expert will serve as a fine example of what a midlife crisis should be like. Expert guide. He's wondering what's wrong with us. And this expert guide, a mix between Dennis the Menace and Tom Cruise. This expert will wonder why the mule owners don't clean up after their animals. I'm wondering if these people know what they've signed up for. So there you have it, a glimpse of the kind of people attempting the second most strenuous trek in Pakistan. And here they are, posing for a picture that I never took. Good morning. Cue gangster music. What happens next is probably the craziest thing that we have ever done in our lives. We are about to traverse one of the longest glaciers outside the polar region, the mighty Baltoro. And for the next 3 days, I will scurry about this glacier like an ant. So stay tuned, because the worst is yet to come.